wairire wia mwancho murigirire ne Jumatano yiti tariki 10 mutinyi no 12 mwaka uyu igabwechirwe bubere 25. Karibu sana ase kionga chinsa isano na ibere chabuno mugaso rinde tunyare ko yasanga asinchira ere eyo bwenge kigima ase reta nkruko Matilda Obaigwa na boigo veni nyaboke okaretera yaiga ase omunwa abwebe manyerero mwancho murigirira ne kirongo chaka ekionga kro ase serikali enene igobono muraye bwensi muske William Ruto lituko liarero chinsa cha mambia anyarakora igikaro gya serikali enene na chiria chechi county ase ikuru enene ase omochie omonene o Nairobi kaukona chinga kecho nikomono anyalire gotogia chi serikali chechi county na boigo kobora na abagavana banyalire koba abakutora libagali nene ase ogosira serikali enene nigo atebire wetera soko bwatera noko nigo bono amaganio yaba Kenya agenderete gwikiranirwa na boigo nonya ali atigarite nigo ekoba gosenigera bega siengusu ase ngencho yokubwaterana.
My pleasure to welcome all of you to this morning meeting, the 12th National County Governments Coordinating Summit. Each time we gather under this framework, we renew a commitment that lies at the heart of our constitutional order, the commitment to shared governance, inclusive prosperity, and collective responsibility for the future of our nation. Since the inaugural summit, we have seen clearly and powerfully, over the past year in particular, this summit and the spirit of partnership has been evident across the country. Counties have stepped up assertively, strengthening healthcare delivery under the Social Health Authority reforms, expanding agricultural value chains, accelerating the establishment of county aggregation industrial parks, and adopting digital systems that have modernized planning, record keeping, and payments at the county level. I must congratulate all governors and their staff for this great achievement. These reforms are visible in our hospitals, where supervision has improved, in farms and markets, where farmers and traders now benefit from better infrastructure and coordinated support, in schools, where collaborative programs such as the transfer of school feeding initiatives and assets are enhancing enrollment and retention in our schools, and in households where citizens now interact with government more easily, efficiently, affordably, and transparently.
Mwancho murigiriria na kurwa ase umuyigo uyu nigobono umukonyi ebo murai wense muske kithore kindi kibono atebire aso kubwaterana uko we serikali nene na boigo chi serikali chichi county nigobono abakenya bange bagenderio konyora amagendero asenchera engikiranu kiguma na kubwa muno nigo anyare gotogia igati yechi wizara chiri cyanyare gutenena abokongo na boigo gwetenenera aso wikirania amagendero au na boigo gukora na kuguswania igati yemechando igenderete konekiwa ase chiwizara icho.
And mutual support exists. And therefore, Your Excellency, as you preside over this summit, I expect that we'll be able to resolve the matters before us, and those that perhaps needs to be delegated to other structures of devolution will be able to determine so that we fasten, quicken, and make more efficient the workings of the government of Kenya at its two levels. We have done well, but we could do better. And one of the areas where I think we need to improve is on operationalizing the workings of subordinate structures of devolution so that to retain the summit as the highest policy directing organ of the Republic of Kenya in matters devolution. And Your Excellency, I have experienced and observed that, for example, the sector forums which are established by law, which are supposed to canvass matters devolution at sector level, roads and transport, health, agriculture, and so forth and so on. My observation, Your Excellency, is that in the sectors where the sector forums are convened regularly, most of the issues have been dealt and many issues have been resolved without them having to be referred to the summit. And I want particularly to commend the Health Sector Forum, followed by the Agriculture Sector Forum.
Mwancho mwarigereria na boigo obutenenere obwekyombe kusibwa bomo obwa governor ekyombe gya Council of Governors ebonoke gutenenerwa no yore omunyakirogo omo governor bwe county eri ya Wajir omoske Ahmed Abdullahi nigobono anyari waka buyawo cyose egati yabarai na boigo ebyombe bya serikali ebyo byabere bigosira emerobero yokohenekya na boigo gwikirania amagendero ase chi county na boigo na sensemo yae nigobono atebiruna nigo abagavana banyari wakambia bucyase serikali nene asoko baso mustari bosyo elio kobasira wikirania amagendero bucyase abamenyi beti county chiabo.
I wish to commend the various intergovernmental sector forums that exist and that are doing commendable work. I wish to, however, note that there is need to have sector forums outside the devolved function areas, including security and foreign affairs. These functions are primarily assigned to the national government, but have an impact on devolution as well. I'll be failing if I do not commend the Office of the Attorney General, who participated in the Council of Governors meeting we had last week, where discussions on legal sector forum was discussed. Consensus was built such that such a forum would avail an opportunity to address the legal issues and forestall disputes, as well as decongest the summit agenda. Your Excellency, we appreciate the continued efforts by the National Treasury to stabilize the equitable share disbursement schedule. However, there remains critical issues requiring summit direction. The same will be discussed at length, and agenda number 7, they include SHA reimbursements, road maintenance levy fund, costing of devolved functions, and the passage of the County Government's Additional Allocation Act, among others. Your Excellency, the constitutional architecture of devolution thrives where there is mutual respect, fidelity to the law, and the shared responsibility in delivering quality services to Kenyans. This summit symbolizes that partnership. The challenges that we face, whether in health, roads, fiscal management, land administration, or public service, are not obstacles, but opportunities for deeper coordination. We look forward to
Mwancho murigereria kubwatakana no guchika wa serikali buna bamenye bechinsemo cha Ikolomani iyo gotoka meye county ya Kakamega banyare ko nganyiwa eri boyi bwethabu banyare gwikirana ase chinsemecho nigobono mo waziri otenenete amangana yo boyi omoske Ale Hassan Joho na boigo mu governor we county ya Kakamega omoske Fernandez Barasa bono banyare kuboria abamenye bechinsemecho banyare gwitabirana no mo roberio yo nekiro batebire bono mbacho kubwatia richiko asoko iyo kwa magena yo yerigori nabo igokone kibuna abamenyi bechinsemecho banyarire gokonyeka korende crossence moyende nigo abamenyi abo bagenda tukwe murungania nabo igo bakora ukurobekana ekirabono kongusana na ogotindi kwabere gokone kiwa egati yabo nekyombe ekeriyo kurigeria mazingira kianema nabo igo ne serikali enene.
We will not sit back as a ministry and as leadership to see that we have wealth underground in our country, and then we continue to procrastinate. The way we've always been saying, we are so wealthy, yet so poor. So during our time, I want to assure the people of this country, we will unlock this space of mining. Kuja leo, if you have the capacity, kuchimba 1 kilometer to find that resource huko chini, kuja leo, the government will support you. You just need to explain to us how you're going to do it, and you have the resources.
Sisi kama viongozi wa Kakamega, kwanza kabisa tunaunga mradi huu kwa sababu utakuja kufaidi watu wote wa Kakamega, wakiwemo pia wale ambao wanamiliki ardhi zetu. Na tumekubaliana ya kwamba mradi huu utafanikishwa kupitia kwa sheria ambayo iko, na pia tutakuwa tunawasiliana kila wakati kwa shughuli ya kuhakikisha ya kwamba mradi huu umefaidi wale wote ambao wanahusika, washikadau wote wakiwemo wenye mashamba, county government, serikali.
Na umunsi umurigereria abanyanyimbo chimibere na 30 nigo bono banyarite kwirana aigasense ya Kenya ritukurigoro na boigo kubwatakana na keria bachiete kwikirania omorembe gusikubeka omorembe asenseria ya Haiti bakwirana na boigo gutenenerwa na bari aba batenerete nigo bono banyare gusanga igatia makungu ari baba bagwitira asenseria ya Haiti na gote babona nigo banyara gukora emirimo eremia na boigo kwenekia obotwerero banyare kwiranira ase ense yo korende asense moyende nigo bono serikali wetira se kiombe kirikia abanyanyimbo kia National Police Service bono yanyarite kwerabuna abanyanyimbo batatu basiretie amagimabo ase esabari yo korende benyore abanyanyimbo abaiga nigo banyarite guchaka gose sabari yabo yo kugenda asense ya Haiti nigo yachagite motenyi ogatano onarimo omwaka oyeta wikira bono iga ekironande bachakire sabari yo kwirana gocha asense ya Kenya nabo igokwirana gocha ase chinka chiabo.
All, I'm bringing you welcome greetings from the Commander-in-Chief. This morning when he spoke, he said, when I receive you, I must first convey his warm welcome nyumbani. Karibuni, karibuni, karibuni nyumbani.
I want to really thank all of you for the contribution you have had or you've given to the Republic of Haiti in restoring peace and order.
Working together, the Kenya Defence Force, the National Intelligence Service, and the National Police Service partnering. This is a true testament that when we work together as a team, we are able to go far. Officers, welcome back home. This marks the beginning of the start and the end of the beginning. The end of your mission and the beginning of serving the Kenyan people back to Kenya. You are welcome. I want to congratulate you in a very special way because police work is not easy.
We worked in the Haiti, a state that we found almost collapsing. That's not an experience to underrate. It was quite an experience, and we have learned a lot from what we saw there. And maybe in my closing remarks, I must have a message for Kenyans from what I've seen. We found a country that was almost collapsing, a government that was almost being overrun by gangs, and we ventured into a terrain that we never understood much, but because we are trained and also we had our Kenyan experience during our operations, our police duties, we found it not very challenging because we found we were above the bar compared to the activities of the gangs, and we have been able, when it comes to stating that the mission has been accomplished, then we say the point we have pushed the security concerns of Haiti, it is at a level that must be appreciated.
You offered yourselves, you went out there without looking back, and you have come here, and I'm sure if at this very moment you are ordered to go into that plane and go back to Haiti, none of you will say you have had enough. Hongera sana kwenu.
Mwancho murigereria nengana yarete tubwoba obotinde kira abanyanyimba bari kugenda korinde ikira urochenga umubaro munene nyare uchaka kwirana abare biya na igo chinka chigenderete guchingira na bwigo nonyene serikali ya Kenya abono tugukorera ikionga chinsa isano na ibere nchekuru ko Matilda Obaigwa na bwigo Veni Nyabuke gukoretera yiga asinchira yebimanyiro nande tumerane asekionga chinsa ikomi chalero maragoba process studio ya kabere nere Kevin Ongeri tobusa guska ikiagira umurobero vibes on vibes kosori asege keke kirabusio